Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Xbox. First, you'll need a Microsoft account. If you already have one, great. Otherwise, it's a quick process to create a new one using a valid email address. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password for security. Once your account is ready, head over to the official Xbox website or power on your Xbox console to begin. Next, let's look at your subscription options. Xbox offers several tiers of Game Pass, each tailored to different gaming preferences. You can choose from Game Pass Core, which provides online multiplayer and a curated game library, or Game Pass Ultimate, which includes hundreds of games, ePlay, and cloud gaming. Take a moment to compare the benefits and decide which plan best suits your gaming style and budget. Once you've selected your subscription, it's time to personalize your Xbox experience. You'll want to create a unique gamer tag and choose an avatar that represents you. Don't forget to review your privacy settings carefully. You can control who sees your activity, sends you messages, and joins your games. If you have younger players, setting up parental controls is a crucial step to ensure a safe gaming environment. Finally, you're ready to dive into the world of Xbox gaming. With your Game Pass subscription, you'll have immediate access to a vast library of games. Simply browse the catalog, select your desired titles, and begin downloading them to your console or PC. It's a straightforward process, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to start playing and connecting with friends online. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.